All right, how is everyone doing today? Welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my microphone test video for the T-Fun NC50 truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. So today in this video, we're going to test out the microphones on these headphones in two different scenarios. The first one is going to be how y'all hear it now. So this is the ideal or as close to ideal noise-free environment as I can get it. And then the second one is going to be a simulated noisy or crowdy environment. So all the audio for today's video is being recorded via the onboard microphones on the T-Fun NC50 truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. So without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So as you guys and gals have been hearing throughout the video so far, this is what the microphones sound like in an ideal or as close to ideal noise-free environment as I can get it. Let me know how this sounds down below in the comments. All your feedback is greatly appreciated. Now, I have some simulated crowd noise that we're going to use that I have pulled up on my TV in the background, and we're going to play the music, let it play for a little bit, and then I'm going to talk at my natural volume, at my natural cadence, and then we're going to see how the microphones on the headphones do, isolating my voice over the ambient and surrounding sounds. So let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead and push play on the crowd noise now. Let this play for a little bit. Okay. And now I'm just going to talk at my natural volume, at my natural cadence, and I won't know how the microphones perform until I watch the video back in post. But hopefully, the microphones on the T-Fun NC50 truly wireless Bluetooth headphones are doing a good job isolating my voice over the surrounding or ambient sounds. Y'all let me know how the microphones are performing again down below in the comments. All right, let's pause the video now. Okay, and now we're back to using the microphones in an ideal or a close to ideal noise-free environment as I can get it. All right, guys and gals, so that pretty much does it for today's video. Now, before we get up out of here, I just want to let everyone know and see how I have the entire video set up here today. So, recording the video here today, we are using the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e. This video is being recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS, and we do have Bluetooth audio hooked up. We're using the Bluetooth audio feature built into the stock Samsung Galaxy camera application. And I'm going to throw up some B-roll now showing y'all how I set this up. So y'all can see from the B-roll here, all I did was connect up the headphones to my device, and then I just took a few seconds to verify that it was connected. Okay. Then I jumped into the stock Samsung Galaxy camera application, as you can see here. And then I went all the way over to video pro mode. Okay. And then I went to the microphone settings and I switched it from Omni Audio or onboard microphone audio to Bluetooth connected audio. All right. Then after that, all I did was set the volume on my TV. I set the volume to 18%, and then I push record, spun the cameras around, and that's how I recorded today's video. Okay. So that's how I set up this entire video just for anyone who wanted to know. Okay. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, you know what to do. As always, please remember all feedback is greatly appreciated and leave your feedback down below in the comments. Remember to keep your feedback respectful, please. And I will see you guys and gals on the next one. Have a good one, everybody. Stay safe, and I'll catch you on the next one. We're out of here. Peace.